What's going on, guys? Here I have a BMW G20. This is a 3 Series, and I want to show you guys how to put this screen protector on the glass. And this is going to be really great because, as you can see, a lot of my fingerprints are collecting on the screen, and sometimes our fingers have that oily residue on it. And if you tap the screen, it could eventually eat away at the coating of the screen. So after a couple years, it might look really terrible. So I want to show you guys how to place this screen protector on the screen. It fits perfectly. I'll leave a link in the description to the screen protector below. But let's go ahead and prep it first. All right, guys, so with the screen off, I'm going to go ahead and prep it first. We're going to rub it down with some rubbing alcohol. So grab a nice microfiber cloth, put some rubbing alcohol on it, and clean off the screen. If your screen does not turn off, you can press and hold the power button, and that should turn it off. Also, it is a good thing to turn off the fan as well as keep the car off and the windows rolled up. That way you don't get any dust and debris flying around the car. And you can see there is some little dust debris flying around. Right now I have it pretty clean. I will teach you guys a trick. If you guys do have some tape, such as painter's tape or something low adhesive like this Scotch tape, where it won't leave a nasty residue behind, you can actually pat it on the screen, like this, and pick up any dust debris. One trick I like to do whenever I put on screen protectors is I like to apply this entire screen with some tape first. So if I'm going to spend a couple cents extra and waste some tape, that's fine with me, as long as the results come out nice and clean. So once we have this tape on this screen, we're going to prep this mentally. We're going to get ready. On the back side, it has a step 1. We peel this back, and once this is peeled back, we slap it onto the screen when the screen is ready to go. So we want to be kind of quick because there will be like dust floating around in the air. I'm going to peel this tape back, and then I'm going to paste this one right onto there. If you guys do have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. If you have a better way at applying the screen protector, also let me know. I'm going to align this corner. All right, that looks nice and clean, guys. So you can see it's slowly coming over. We're going to try to make sure there's no air bubbles. Alright guys, flawless job on that screen protector. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down as well. They do make these screen protectors a little easier to apply than older screen protectors, maybe a decade ago. So this stuff does like to just stick onto the car. And you can see that is a nice protection on the screen. My hands are oily and stuff. It still does leave a little bit of fingerprints, but really I want those oils to not stay onto the screen and eat away at the screen coating. Now guys, this does provide a little bit of a glossy finish to the screen. Again, the main reason I'm applying the screen protector is to protect the factory screen from those oils on your finger. So I don't really mind about that too much. I also do have the sunroof open. So even with it closed, it doesn't make too much of a difference, but this is great. It provides a ton of protection for the screen, and I'm really happy with the results, guys. It turned out really well. So if you guys did find the video helpful, please smash that thumbs up, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know if you guys would put a screen protector on your car, and should I get one for the dashboard as well? I don't think so because I don't touch it too much, but let me know your thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to my channel for more car videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.